Welcome to our detailed guide on how to automate SQL queries with Claude in Python. In this video, you'll learn to streamline data processing by integrating Claude with your Python applications, enhancing efficiency and reducing manual coding effort. Welcome to our channel. Have you ever wondered how much time you could save if SQL queries could write themselves? In today's video, we're diving into the world of SQL automation with Claude in Python. We'll explore how Claude, an AI language model, can help streamline your data processing tasks, significantly reduce your manual coding efforts, and enhance your productivity. Stick around as we guide you through setting up Claude, connecting it with your database, and generating both simple and complex SQL queries effortlessly.
Let's begin by understanding what Claude is. Claude is an advanced AI language model designed to assist in generating human-like text based on inputs. It's highly regarded for its ability to create natural language outputs and is particularly useful in automating tasks like SQL query generation. Why choose Claude over other models? Well, Claude's contextual understanding and ability to handle complex queries make it an ideal choice for SQL automation. As we delve deeper, you'll see how Claude can transform SQL query generation from a manual chore into an automated, efficient process. Whether you're a data analyst or a developer, Claude offers a robust solution to enhance your workflow.
Before we can harness the power of Claude, we need to set it up in our Python environment. Start by installing Claude's package from the Python package index using pip. Once installed, configure your Python environment to include necessary libraries like pandas and sclalchemy. Import these libraries in your script to ensure smooth operation. If you encounter issues during installation, ensure that your Python and pip versions are up to date. By the end of this section, you will have a fully configured environment ready to leverage Claude for SQL query generation. With Claude set up in Python, the next step is connecting it to your database. Claude supports a variety of databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQLite. Begin by configuring your database credentials, ensuring they're securely stored in environment variables or a config file. Use sclalchemy to establish the connection, providing a robust interface for database interactions. Test your connection to verify that everything is working as expected. This setup is crucial as it allows Claude to directly interact with your data, paving the way for automated SQL query generation.
Data models are the backbone of any database-driven application. They help define how data is structured and how different datasets relate to each other. Using Claude, you can easily create data models by mapping database tables to Python classes. Define relationships between tables, such as one-to-many or many-to-many, to accurately reflect your database schema. Claude simplifies this process, allowing you to focus on building robust models that serve as the foundation for generating precise SQL queries. By following best practices in model definition, you ensure your SQL generation is both efficient and effective.
Now that we have our data models, it's time to generate SQL queries using Claude. For basic queries like select, insert, and update, Claude can automatically generate SQL statements based on your data models. This automation not only saves time but also reduces the likelihood of errors associated with manual coding. By leveraging Claude for simple queries, you can streamline data retrieval and manipulation, allowing you to focus on more complex tasks that require your expertise. Embrace the power of automation and witness how Claude can transform your SQL query generation process.
Basic queries are just the beginning. Claude excels at handling more complex SQL scenarios involving join operations, nested queries, and subqueries. By understanding your data models, Claude can generate intricate SQL statements that retrieve the precise data you need. Incorporate filters and conditions to customize your queries further. With Claude, you can tackle even the most challenging SQL tasks effortlessly, ensuring your queries are not only correct but also optimized for performance. Discover how Claude's advanced capabilities can handle the complexity of your database needs.
While Claude offers a powerful solution for SQL automation, challenges can arise. Common pitfalls include connection issues, unexpected query outputs, and errors in SQL syntax. To effectively troubleshoot, ensure your database connection is stable and your data models are accurately defined. Use Python's debugging tools to identify and resolve issues within your queries. It's essential to understand the output generated by Claude to ensure it aligns with your expectations. By following best practices for error resolution, you can maximize the efficiency and accuracy of Claude-assisted SQL generation. To fully harness Claude's capabilities, adhering to best practices is vital. Optimize performance by ensuring your data models are efficient and your queries are well structured. Data security is paramount. Always secure your database connections and handle sensitive information with care. Maintain clarity in your code by using descriptive comments and organized file structures. Implement version control to track changes and collaborate effectively with your team. Lastly, continue learning and adapting to new trends in SQL automation to stay ahead. Following these best practices will ensure you get the most out of Claude's SQL generation prowess.
Congratulations on mastering the art of automating SQL queries with Claude in Python. We've covered everything from setting up your environment to handling complex queries and troubleshooting common issues. Now it's your turn to apply these skills in your projects. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more insightful content. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment below about your experience with Claude or suggest topics you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for watching, and happy querying.